I, Nuri Jannat, welcome you all to our today's BGST class. I hope you all are fine. You have already started new classes and new session. You got your new books and first term syllabus. You have seen your recorded classes also. Already you have completed 2 recorded classes. My dear students, I know you have completed reading practice and book work from chapter 1 from your previous classes. So my dear students, I am going to ask you some questions from your previous lesson. Are you ready for this?
Before starting our today's lesson, I am going to ask you some questions from your previous lesson. If you will give this answer properly, it will be assured me you have learned your lesson properly. So my dear, are you ready? Very good. Now I am going to ask you first question. Let's see the question. Question number 1. Where do you see natural environment? My God, I'm very happy. So many students raises their hand. Okay, my dear, tell the answer. Very good. Your answer is correct. So, let's see the answer. The answer is, we see natural environment all around us. The sun, mountains, trees, flowers, rivers, birds, rain, etc. are the elements of natural environment. Very good, my dear. Now I am going to ask you second question. The question is, why do we need roads? Can you tell me this answer? Very good. So many students raises their hand. And I know you know this answer because you have clear idea about this chapter, isn't it? Very good. Your answer is correct. So let's see the answer. The answer is, we go to school, market and different places through road. That's why we need it. And you know, roads is very important for us because without road, we cannot communicate one place to another place. Isn't it? We cannot go one place to another place. And we can't use transport also. Very good, my dear. I'm very happy to hear your answer. Now question number 3. Which environmental element do men create for their needs? You can tell me this answer. It's very easiest answer, isn't it? Very good. I am very happy to see your response. Okay, my dear, tell the answer. So let's see the answer. The answer is, men create elements of social environment for their needs. Thank you, my dear, and I have understood you have learned your lesson perfectly.
My dear students, our environment belongs to our surroundings. Initially, there was only nature. There is land, water, soil, plants and animals. Then people started living in the nature. We can see nature all around us. There are different types of plants, trees, flowers and vegetables. There are animals, birds and fishes. There is also the sun, rain, clouds and rivers. All these things make our natural environment. The environment created by people for their own benefits is called social environment. We live in this environment. Houses and school are elements of this environment. We live in our homes. We cannot live alone. We live together to fulfill different needs. We help each other and we work together. People build things to meet their needs like houses, schools, playgrounds, roads, shops, etc. All these things are made by man. The people and the things together makes our social environment. The important elements of our social environments are our home and school. Our school is very dear to us. We play and learn in the school. We take the part, different functions and festival there. My students, transport is another important part or element of the social environment. Roads and transport helps us in many ways. We go to school and any other places by using roads. We use bus, launch, steamer, aeroplane for going to one place to another place. These are also elements of social environment. My student, I hope you have learned your lesson perfectly and you remembered your lesson. My dear beloved students, after listening my discussion, you remembered your previous lesson nicely, isn't it? Now, I am going to start our today's class.
My dear beloved students, please open your BGST book, take your CW copy and pen. Please get ready for the class. You know, BGST subject is very interesting subject. And I hope you will be more attentive for doing this class. So my dear, get ready for the class. Before going to our today's topic, at first I am going to discuss with you our today's learning objectives. After finishing my class, students will be able to say about fill in the blanks and short question answer. Now, my dear, open your CW copy, write CW number, and today's CW number is 3. And today's chapter number 1. The chapter is the natural and social environment. And our today's topic name, fill in the blanks and short question answer. Have you written, my dear? Please write these captions, chapter name and today's topic clearly in your CW copy. Now, I am going to discuss with you our today's most important topic, fill in the blanks. At first, you have to know what is fill in the blanks. You will get a sentence. There will be a word missing. You have to find out the correct word and fill in the blank portion. It is called fill in the blanks. Let's see the fill in the blanks, whatever we got from this chapter. See the first fill in the blanks. Everything dash us makes environment. What will be the answer, Baba? Which word will be here? Can you tell me? Very good. Your answer is correct. Everything around us makes environment. Number 2. We learn and play in the dash. What will be the answer, Baba? Can you tell me? Very good. We learn and play in the school. Remember this answer, okay? After getting these answers from your side, let's match your answer with my answer. Okay, my dear? Number 3. We use dash to visit places. Which thing we will use to visit places? Very good, my dear. We use transport to visit places. Very good, my dear. We use transport to visit places. Now question number 4. We can see dash all around us. Which thing we see? Can you tell? Very easiest answer, isn't it? Yes, my dear. We can see nature all around us. Now, question number 5. People choose of life in group of dash and dash. What will be the answer? Very good. People choose to live in group of families and villages because people cannot live alone. They make society for fulfill their needs, isn't it? Very good, my dear. Now, number 6. We help each other and we work dash. What will be the answer? Very good, my dear. Very good. I'm so happy to see your response. Yes, the answer is we help each other and we work together. Very good. Number 7. People build dash to meet their needs. Which thing people made or built? You can tell me this answer. Very good. People build things to meet their needs. Very good, my dear. People build things to meet their needs. Very good, my dear. Number 8. The people and the dash together make our environment. Which things, Baba? Very good. The people and the things together make our environment. Very good, my dear. Now number 9. We play in the dash. Where we play, Baba? We live in our home, isn't it? But where will we play? Yes, very good answer. Very good, my dear. The answer will be we play in the yard. Very good, very good. I'm so happy and your performance is pretty good. And I'm very happy to see your performance. So, my dear, let's match with your answer with my answer. So, let's start. Everything dash us makes environment. Everything around us makes environment. Number 2, we learn and play in the school. Number 3, we use transport to visit places. Number 4, we can see nature all around us. Number 5, people choose of live in groups of families and villages. Number 6, we help each other and we work together. Number 7, the people build things to meet their needs. Number 8, the people and the things together make our environment. And number 9, we play in the yard. Now I am going to discuss with you our today's another topic, short questions. Let's see the question first. Question number 1. What is society? Question number 2. What is the environment? Question number 3. Write 4 elements of natural environment. Number 4. Who are our neighbors? Number 5. Why do we use transport? So my dear, let's see the question with the answer. Short question answer our today's topic. And the first question is, what is the society? The answer is a group of people living together to fulfill a common purpose is called a society. Human beings always live together in a society. Without society, no one can lead a complete life. You know, men cannot live alone. They need neighbor, they need friends, they need help. That's why to fulfill their needs, they made society. Now question number 2. What is environment? Let's see the answer. The surroundings and conditions in which people live are called environment. Air, sky, river, house, school, hospital, etc. are the elements of environment. Question number 3. Write 4 elements of natural environment. Let's see the answer. The answer is, natural elements are made by Almighty Allah. 4 elements of natural environments are given below. Number 1, sun. Number 2, trees. Number 3, cattle. Number 4, birds. Question number 4. Who are our neighbors? Very good question this is. Let's see the answer. We live in a society. Everyone around us is our neighbor. Human beings always live together in a society. Question number 5. Why do we use transport? The answer is, we use transport to go from one place to another place. Bus, car, cycle, taxi, aeroplane, rocket, boat, etc. are the examples of transport. So my dear students, I hope you have understood these answers. And you will be able to write by yourself this short question answer. Isn't it, my dear? Now, feedback time. I'm going to ask you some questions from today's lesson. If you will give me the answer properly, it will be assured me you have learned the lesson properly and you have understood the lesson, whatever I have discussed with you, perfectly. So my dear, let's see the question. What is society? You can tell me this answer. What is society? Very good. Your answer is correct. So let's see the answer. A group of people living together to fulfill a common purpose is called society. Human beings always live together in a society. Without society, no one can lead a complete life. Very good, my dear. So now I am going to ask you second question. Why do we use transport? Who can tell me this answer? Very good, my dear. Your answer is correct. Let's see the answer. It is okay or not, okay? The answer is we use transport to go from one place to another place. Bus, car, cycle, taxi, aeroplane, rocket, boat, etc. are the example of transport. Now third question. Who are our neighbors? Who can tell me this answer? It is the most easiest question. Who are our neighbors? Very good, my dear. Your answer is correct. So let's see the answer. We live in a society. Everyone around us is our neighbor. Human beings always live together in a society. Very good, my dear. Very good. Summary of today's lesson. Our environment is our surroundings, or all the living or non-living things around us. Environment can be divided into two types, natural environment and social environment. The elements of natural environments are plants and trees, land, water, air, river, clouds, the sun, etc. We cannot live alone. That's why we have formed society. Men and their activities constitute the society. It consists of the elements like road, homes, schools, etc. The importance of the elements of social environment is great. So, my dear, we can say, without society, we cannot live alone. And men made society to fulfill their needs. Isn't it, my dear? Now, let's see the homework. Today, our homework number is 1. And our homework is learn and write short question answer 1, 2, 3 from chapter 1. Whatever you got short question from this class, you will write 1, 2 or 3 from chapter 1 in your HW copy. Okay, my dear, have you understood what is the homework today? Very good, my dear.
My dear beloved students, I think you have enjoyed my class. Whatever I have discussed with you, I think you learned well. After that, if you have any query or any problem of any topic, you can discuss with your teacher. Your teacher will help you. So my dear, no more today. We will meet again with a new topic, with a new class. Till then, Allah Hafiz.